Okay, good evening everyone. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat and thank you for watching my video. Video number 54. Ayan. So for tonight, pag-usapan natin, ano ba yung pinakamagandang gawin sa mga taong toxic? Ayan. Yung salitang toxic, ito yung bagay na kung saan talagang sobrang gamit na gamit sa tinatawag na medical industry. Lagi nilang sinasabi na toxic sila or may toxic na tao, and eventually meron din po itong gamit sa mga call center or nasa mga call center industry. Sinasabi nila toxic yung duty, or possibly talagang ginagamit yung salitang toxic. So pag sinabing toxic, it could be a negative word or a positive word. So, for sure, marami or naka-encounter ka na ng mga taong toxic sa buhay mo. And eventually, yung mga taong toxic na yan, patuloy yung mag-a-appear hanggat hindi mo yun ina-address. So, kapag sinabing toxic na person, ito yung kumbaga negative yung feeling na nararamdaman mo kapag pinag-uusapan or kapag nakakasalumuha mo tong taong na to. And for sure, marami to sa family mo and maybe kasama mo sa bahay. Ayan. Napakahirap talaga na makasama ang isang taong toxic, okay? Ayan. Pero given na pinag-uusapan natin toxic na tao, ang tanong dito kasi is ano ba yung una na nararamdaman mo? Ano ba yung emotions na nararamdaman mo kapag if you are with someone na toxic? So yun yung unang tanong. Ano ba yan? Resentment ba yan? Worry ba yan? Concern ba yan? Na-annoy ka ba? Nababad trip ka ba? Nabubwisit ka ba sa tao na yon? Or possible kasi, ang pwedeng mangyari kapag meron kang taong toxic na kasama is, ang tanong is, ano ba yung concern? Yung concern ba ay dun sa tao or concern sa sarili natin? And most often than not, okay, ang concern po ay wala dun sa tao. Okay? Ang concern ay nasa sa atin. Kasi tayo yung nakakaramdam ng toxicity. Okay? Nung negative feeling, hindi naman yung tao. So, I could really ask myself or ask mo yung tao na to, bakit ka ba natotoxic sa taong ito? Yun yung itanong di ba? Ano ba yung reason, bakit ka ba natotoxic o bakit negative yung feeling mo towards sa tao na to? So, ang pinakamagandang gawin is have this an opportunity, or don't miss up this powerful moment in your life to have a self-reflection. Okay? Kasi yung mga taong yan, in terms of Facebook or tinatawag na mga friends mo sa social media, kapag toxic yung tao na yan, is ang ginagawa mo, ina-unfriend mo na lang or binablock mo. Napakadaling gawin yun, Iba-block mo na lang siya or i-unfriend mo kasi nga toxic siya, ayaw mo siya, naiinis ka, nababad trip ka sa kanya. Pero eventually, kapag ginawa mo yon, that's the very easy way out. That's the very easiest thing to do. I-block or i-unfriend yung tao na ayaw mo. But if you will miss out yung tinatawag na self-reflection, sayang naman yung opportunity kasi possible from this toxic person marami kang matutunan. Actually, most bad experience na meron tayo, siya yung magbibigay sa atin ng mas maraming lesson in life. And most probably, yung mga toxic na tao, ito yung mga tao na kung saan mas marami silang tinatawag na lesson na may bibigay sa atin. Okay? Batiin ko lang yung mga nagwa-watch sa atin, si Sir Robert of Liar, si Kuya Jonathan Takad, okay? Monina Elban Buena, thank you for watching. Resty, kapatid, Datul is watching. Si Miss Carlin Calabia Linga, congratulations sa King and Queen T sa Rosario, Batangas. Yan, visit niyo po yung business location ni Miss Carlin Calabia Linga, yung pong King and Queen Tea. Ayan, masarap yung kanilang King and Queen Tea. At the same time, they're using safe, clean, purified water po sa business po nila. Kaya safe na safe po yung mga masasarap nyo po na King and Queen Tea sa taas po ng 7-Eleven sa may bandang Jollibee, Rosario, Batangas. Alright? Si Ice Evangelista is watching. Okay. So, going back, yung mga toxic na tao, kailangan pasalamatan natin sila. Kasi sila po yung mga tao na magbibigay sa atin ng maraming lesson. At sila yung mga tao na magbibigay sa atin ng maraming reflection. Lalo-lalo na magtuturo sa atin about patience, okay? Magtuturo about sa atin about self-reflection. Okay, yung mga taong toxic na yan ang magbibigay sa atin ng tinatawag na life-changing reflection and lesson. Hindi mawawala yan sa work, sa business, sa bahay. Actually, minsan, ikaw mismo sarili mo toxic ka. Pero, ang pinaka-the best niya, lalo na kung especially right now, hindi naman tayo nakikita, tapos toxic ka pa, pinaka-the best na gawin yan, alam mo yon, simple lang. Connect with the person. Okay? Ibig sabihin, contact the person and tell him or tell her ano yung feelings mo towards sa kanya. It can be negative, it can be positive, but I surely know, it can never be destructive, okay? Okay, it can be, it could be better, okay? It's a simple, getting your phone and calling them, hello, alam mo, brother, alam mo, sister, naiinis ako sa'yo, hindi ko nga alam ba't ako naiinis, pero, explain mo lang, ayan. Hello to JP Cesar, ayan, for all your Mitsubishi vehicle needs. So, contact my brother JP Cesar. Magaling magaling mag-assist, tsaka hindi kayo pababayaan yan. Tama po ba, brother JP Cesar? Thanks for watching. So, ang pinaka-the best nga, kapag may toxic na tao, whether you like it or not, or gagawin mo to, is just to talk to that person. Tell that person directly that that person is giving you a negative feeling, and that person is becoming a burden in your feelings. And alam mo, eventually, pag nalaman ng taong yan na natotoxic mo siya, eventually your relationship will improve. And kapag talagang ginawa mo na yung part mo, or yung tinatawag na due diligence mo, yung good faith mo, at yung tao pa rin toxic pa rin, so pwede ko na sabihin, that's the time na i-unfriend mo na, i-block mo na, kasi you did your part. Ayan. And alam niyo yun, lagi mo lang iisipin na at the end of the day, alam mo yun, ang negative and positive sa buhay natin, laging nandyan yan at hindi po yan mawawala. Ayan. So, we're talking about toxicity, So, merong isang major na bagay na kailangan nating i-address. And that is the toxicity within ourselves, okay? Sa sarili natin. Jeddah Pidin, thanks for watching, okay? Ayan. Cesar, wow, Kuya JD, salamat, you're the best. Yeah, you're welcome, bro. Okay. So, yung pinag-usapan natin right now na ngayon is yung toxicity within ourselves. Kasi, majority sa atin, or maybe ako na magsasabi, kumakain tayo ng mga unhealthy foods, and kumakain tayo ng mga processed foods, kumakain tayo ng mga donut, mga hotdog, okay, mga fast food na kung saan nagbibigay ng toxicity sa ating katawan. And ano yung pwede natin gawin dyan? Kasi hindi mo naman pwedeng i-unfriend or pwedeng i-block yung sarili mo, hindi ka nakakain. So, I would like to share with you a product na ginagamit ko right now that combats the toxicity in my body. And itong product na to, I could really assure you, it's 100% organic and 100% natural na wala po kahit anong side effects. So, we're talking about, Elken Spirulina. Ayan, ito po yung ginagamit kong product right now to combat the toxicity in my body and in my health, Kasi ang toxicity po, hindi naman natin maiwasan yan. Talagang eventually, meron tayong mga kakainin na hindi talaga healthy para sa katawan natin. Number 1 na po yung soft drinks. Ayan. Pero if you would take something that is natural, something that is alkaline, I'm sure po makakatulong po sa inyo to. So, what is spirulina, What is spirulina? Ang spirulina po kasi, yan? Is the one of the most ancient prehistoric life forms with a record of 350 million years of existence up until today. So, ang spirulina po, nandyan na yan, okay? Panahon pa po na Jesus Christ, nandyan na po ang spirulina. And ang nakakatuwa po sa spirulina is 1,000 times higher in concentrated nutrients compared to regular seaweeds and vegetables. When consumed daily, spirulina will replenish nutrients and that are lacking as a result of a diet low in fruits and vegetables. It will provide balanced nutrition and improve acidic body condition. So yun yung kagandahan sa spirulina, no? It can give you the nutrients and the multivitamins na kailangan ng katawan mo. So the good thing with Elken Spirulina is organic po siya. At nakakatuwa po dito, it is considered by Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations. United Nations nagsabi, okay? This is the best food for tomorrow. Yan, nakalagay po dyan. Is the best food for tomorrow. It is considered as food. Okay? Ang spirulina will combat all the toxicity in your body. At nakakatuwa pa, no? According to World Health Organization, ayan, nakalagay, no? According to World Health Organization, no? Spirulina is the best health supplement for mankind for the 21st century. Ginagamit po ito even ng NASA. Okay? And from FDA ng United States, this is the excellent nutrient supplement, okay, from FDA ng United States. Okay, alam naman natin na kapag yan ay pumasa or sa mga studies, talagang proven yan and guaranteed. And right now po, no, with Elken Spirulina, meron na po tayong 1 million users, okay, on worldwide, and this is the number 1 spirulina in Malaysia. Imported po siya, hindi po siya gawang Pilipinas, okay? Kung makikita nyo po yung tinatawag na bottle niya, packaging niya, sigurado po kayo, hindi kayo mag-worry. Unlike po dun sa mga product na naglalabasan, alam mo yun, meron daw siyang ganito, ganyan. Pero, kumbaga, you have to check it out. If what's in the label is really in the bottle. Nakakatakot pong basta inumin niya, no? So, nakakatuwa po with Elken Spirulina, no? It can reduce your fatty liver by 50%. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung fatty liver disease mo, okay? Pagagandahin niya by 50%. So, imagine mo yun, magtitake ka lang ng spirulina, yung liver mo is magiging 50% healthy po siya. Okay? So, the good thing with spirulina rin po, no? Meron po siyang tinatawag na phycocyanin. Ano yung phycocyanin? Siya lang naman po yung tinatawag na anti-arthritic at saka anti-inflammatory po, no? Ibig sabihin, iwas po tayo sa tinatawag na mga toxic. Okay? At the same time, siya po yung nagbabattle sa mga cancer. Ayan. Papatayin niya po yung mga cancer cells natin na nakakasama sa katawan po natin. So, nakakatuwa po dito with spirulina, meron po siyang tinatawag na chlorophyll na kung saan yung po mga anemic dyan, kayang-kaya pong i-improve yung condition nyo. Plus, ang spirulina rin po, it aids your digestion and reduces constipation. Kino-combat niya rin po yung bad breath. So, may makilala po kayong mga mabaong hininga. Okay, dahil po yan sa digestion nila may problema. So, spirulina is the answer. At it inhibits the growth of bacteria. Okay? Fights bacteria that causes fermentation and food decay in the gut. Ayan. So, nakakatuwa po. Kumbaga, kung meron kayong mga sugat sa tiyan, okay, may mga sugat po kayo, it promotes wound healing din po. Ito nakakatuwa. Alam niyo po ba yung spirulina? Nakaka-anti-aging siya by 50%. So, by drinking spirulina, so marami kayong mga benefits na makukuha. O, ito pa. It can lower your cholesterol by 78.9%. So, imagine nyo yun, ha? Kung mataas po yung cholesterol nyo, by taking Elken Spirulina, no, it can lower your cholesterol by 78.9%. So, right now, maraming tinatawag na binebentang supplement vitamins kung pupunta kayo sa mga drugstore. Pero the good thing with Elken Spirulina, meron po siyang tinatawag na 16 minerals. Okay, maganda 16 minerals. Hindi po isa, hindi dalawa, hindi lang tatlo, no? Meron po siyang 16 minerals. Meron po siyang calcium para for your bones and teeth. Meron po siyang iron from strong blood vessels. Meron po siyang phosphorus for strong bones and assist in digestions of carbohydrates. Meron po siyang sodium, okay, important for proper nerve, okay, conduction. Meron po siyang potassium, meron po siyang potassium to regulate electrolytes, okay? Meron siyang magnesium to assist in the assimilation of vitamin B and vitamin C, okay? Meron po siyang manganese to activate enzymes together with zinc and help stabilize blood sugar. So, may mga high blood po dyan. Maganda po ang spirulina. Meron din po siyang copper to act as an antioxidant to eliminate free radicals. So, kung yung trabaho nyo po ay toxic at exposed po kayo sa mga chemicals, it's really great to take spirulina po kasi tinatanggal niya po yung mga free radicals na pumapasok po sa katawan po ninyo. Meron din po siyang selenium tsaka cobalt. Ayan. Ito po yung nagbibigay sa atin ng vitamin B12. Ayan. Meron din po siyang iodine, sulfur, fluorine. Okay? Na kung saan, nag-eliminate po siya ng mga toxic na bagay sa katawan po natin. So, ang daming benefits ng spirulina. And ako po, personally, no, I'm taking spirulina in a regular basis. No? So, the best pag-take po nito is around 5 to 10 tablets po. Ayan. So, ito po yung sa akin. Inumin po natin ngayon, no? Live. So, chewable din po siya. At pwede po sa bata, pwede po sa buntis, pwede po sa mga baby. Kasi, sobra po siyang safe and organic. Na-appreciate ko yung mga product dyan na talaga ang pinupunteriya po nila is cellular level. Okay po siya. Pero the question right now is it organic? Is it natural? Ayan. So with Elken Spirulina, no, the good thing is you can rest assured na yung tinitake nyo pong food supplement is organic and natural. Ayan. So the good thing, available po siya in sachet. Okay, available po siya in sachets. Okay. Available din po siya in 100 tablets na bottle. Okay? Yan. Available din po siya in 500 tablets na bottle. So, ang cost po niya, kumbaga, siyempre, pag wholesale, mas po siya, mas mura. Kapag retail, mas mahal po. Okay? The cost is only 6 to 9 pesos per tablet. Depende po kung gaano karami po yung kukunin nyo. Ayan. So, with spirulina po, I'm sharing this to you to give you more information and more options kasi eventually, whether you like it or not, your wellness is your personal concern, okay? Your wellness, yung tinatawag na kalusugan nyo po ay po yan, personal accountability nyo po yan. We can talk all about other people, but at the end of the day, you are the only person that can take care of your health. Ayan, si Tonying Antonio is watching. Good evening po. Ayan, Terence Alterado. Congrats, brothers, sa new baby and member of the family. Terence, si Teacher Terence, napakabait po niyan. Ayan. Si Ma'am Reynaluz Eduarte for all your condo or real property. Kontakin niyo po yan si Ma'am Reynaluz Eduarte. Ayan, from Cavite. Attorney Mary Ann Ojeda. Ayan, si attorney yan. For your legal concern and possible questions. Napakabait po ni Ate Mayan. Ayan. Ate Mayan, yung yung honey na order mo, ready na. Let me know lang kung i-deliver na. Ate Mayan. Thank you very much po. Ayan. Si Eric Culana. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Kimberly Ann Blanca Flor. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. So, eventually, toxicity is part of our lives. And at the end of the day, yung toxicity is something that we really need to have in our lives para ma-appreciate natin yung tinatawag na balance. Kasi hindi naman pwede lahat maganda. So, kailangan may pangit para we could be better. Okay? We don't need perfection in our life. What we need is progress. Okay? Even 1% lang gada araw. Why? 1% progress per day is 365%. Okay? For the whole year. Ayan. Kuya Gerard, Kuya Gerard from Iloilo, good evening. Sir David Martin Berba, magandang gabi for you and your family. Thanks for watching and thanks for the support. So guys, if you want to learn more about spirulina and how to take care of your health, DM me. I'll give you the best option to start, and hopefully, okay, this brings more available resources for your health personally, okay, spiritually, mentally. And hopefully na you support my YouTube channel, okay? Nandito po sa link na to yung aking pong YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe and make comments po. Ayan, bigyan niyo po ako ng feedback. My only goal and simple goal is to add value to other people's life. Ayan. So thank you very much po. Magandang gabi and God bless. Hope you have the best weekend even nasa bahay lang tayo. And make this day counts or make this evening counts by saying, I love you, I'm sorry, I forgive you. Those 3 statements that could really make difference in our lives, okay? So, if you are being toxic na po sa video ko, I love you. Okay, ganun po talaga yon. Okay? Hello, yan, Michelle, for all your beauty needs. Okay, contact niyo po yung sister ko, si Michelle Marasigan, sa Batangas. Yan, kung gusto niyo pong pumuti, gusto niyo pong pumayat, gusto niyo bumango. Ayan, kontakin niyo lang po yan si Michelle sa, si Michelle Marasigan, ang aking kaibigan from Batangas City, from Tinga. Ayan. So, with that po, thank you very much and God bless. Please share my video. Let's add more value to other people. Salamat po.